Here are the things that you can do to avoid the punit passport modus sa mga airport. In my previous video, alam niyo na what counts as a damaged passport. It could be kagagawa natin or modus sa mga airport. Now, here are the things that you can do to avoid the punit passport modus sa mga airport. Number 1, inspect your passport before leaving your home. Inspect nyo na kung maayos pa din ba ang bio pages, walang mga tears, walang mga punit-punit, walang mga smudges, walang nag-fade at maayos ang kuha ng inyong mga photo. Next, take a photo of your passport. Picturean nyo, front, back, kilid, yung loob ng bio page, picturean ninyo, pati yung mga crease kung meron man. Have these photos readily available on your phone para naman kapag nagkabulilyaso at talagang may proof ka. Number 3, use a clear and sealed passport holder. Maraming mga passport holder, passport bag available even here sa TikTok shop. If I can find any, I just link it in the yellow basket. Kapag plastic in this way, hindi lang siya protected from the dirt but also from the water. Number 4, have a control of your passport. Don't let anyone take your passport away from you. Even the ground crew, hindi sila allowed na kumuha ng passport mo. All they have to do is to open it, check your information if nagmamatch ba sa boarding passes, sa information sa system nila, ganun lang. Number 5, kailangan magiging aware ka din sa mga helpers, fixers, especially if first time traveler tayo, talagang may nag-o-offer ng helping hand. Kapag nasa airport, nasa eroplano tayo, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. Kaya talagang it's okay to be a snob, even just for a day. Next, what if sabihin, nako, kulang ng page ang passport mo, talagang may punit, ang laki na ng wear and tear crease niya sa loob. Stay calm. If ginawa mo naman ang mga previous na pinagsasabi ko, talagang confident ka. You just have to ask permission to please document it properly and raise it to their supervisor. In that way, less people involved, less commotion happening. And lastly, know the emergency contacts. Hindi natin alam kung sino may mga pakana ng modus na yan, kaya it's better to reach the proper authority. Our passport is our life when we are traveling. Kaya kahit ano ang mangyari dito pa lang sa Pilipinas hanggang sa destination natin, talagang we have to protect our passport like we protect our lives.